July 14th, Swami Mahasamadhi Day. All over the world, in Chamuka. Then after that we had a good breakfast. And sit. Some volunteers. Rudrasya Sunam Surasanyanatham Bhumam Sadaham Sharanam Pravathe Ya Kunde Kritashara Haradhavalaya Shukravastra Ya Veena Varadanda Mandita Karaya Shveta Padmasana Ya Brahma Juta Shankara Prabhuta Vihirte Vai Sada Pujita Samam Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nisheshacharyapaha Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Satchidananda Murtaye Nishprapanchaya Shantaya Sri Shivanandaya Te Namah Sri Vishnu Devanandaya Te Namah Om Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute Namostute Om Shanti Shanti Shanti
Every time we are telling mind, I am not that. Whole life what we are doing? Trying to prove. To son, to prove I am father. To subordinate, to prove I am boss. Nothing else we are doing. That's what we are doing. As a yoga teacher, don't they listen to me? Two things happen. When we do meditation, we are dropping the identity. More we drop the identity, more we are relaxed. Are we not experiencing this in daily life? Yes or no? When are we experiencing this? In our deep sleep, are we somebody? Not even male, female. Huh? Don't know which language, which religion, which name, what form. Nothing is there. So we all know they are very happy when we are moving. But what we do, always try to prove somebody. That is the continuous training given to mind. So when we do meditation, slowly we change. And that will make us like how we are in deep sleep. We can't be always in sleep. That is not right. We need to be alert, but at the same time, we need to be relaxed. And that state is meditative state. And people who reach that state, their pictures will be there. Otherwise, it will be released. Okay? Now, we have relaxed our mind a little bit. But for our level, mind relaxation through meditation is really difficult, at least to my level. So, we have to enter into little easier method. Easier method is Bhakti Yoga. A ego dissolving method is, best way is Bhakti Yoga. Sitting, meditating, and getting up and disturbed because who was ringing the bell before, all these disturbances, we are not meditating. For every small thing we shout at wife or husband means no point of any sadhana. For such people, what to do? Such people means who must hear, me, not there. Such people, best method is start with the Bhakti. Bhakti Yoga is the best way to start for our sadhana. God is kind. We have all type of meditation. Bhakti Yoga is there, Dharma Yoga is there. Some people always restless, like our Pradeepa. Always want to do something, very serious. Doing something. Such people, Karma Yoga is good. Some people, they think I am very intelligent person. Everybody I can prove wrong. I know everything. Such people, Jnana Yoga is better. They should study the Tattva. That is very good for them to understand what actually I am. I am thinking I am this, I am this, I am this. What is this I am? For them, Tattva is very good. Bhakti, Karma, and this. Raja Yoga is for those who can control their mind and control through mind everything. That is where we belong to as a yoga student. Okay? But daily what we do 1 hour some yogasana and eat nicely, fight with everybody, do everybody and right, then we think I am doing yoga. But today we will try to enter into Bhakti Yoga. In Shivananda school, everywhere we start with a similar type of process. First we will start with that. After that, we have a specialist. Our madam is dictionary of visions, our library of vision. So she will help us to get into Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti Yoga will happen only when you surrender totally. Surrender totally. What is surrender totally? Forgetting I am male or female. How many are ready to forget the I am male or female? Raise your hand. See, still someone is. At least for 20 minutes you forget I am male or female. How many? How many can do really male or female I will forget? How many are ready to forget? I am so and so, husband, wife, boss of a company, that is all that. If you are ready to forget that, then you will enjoy Bhakti Yoga. And if you want to experience Bhakti Yoga, involve 100%. They are missing Dr. Shyam Prasad Guruji, who would have taken us really to Bhakti Yoga heights. But I think Bharati Madam will cover that. It happens only if you all involve. Okay? We start with the Shivanta ನಮ್ದು ವಯಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದೆ ನಮ್ದು ಹೆಂಗೇನೋ ಇದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಾಪ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಇದ್ದವ್ರು ಎರಡೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ
लंबोदरायै विघ्नेश्वरा लंबोदरायै विघ्नेश्वरा लंबोदरायै विघ्नेश्वरा लंबोदरायै विघ्नेश्वरा शिव शंभो कुमारा विघ्नेश्वरा शिव शंभो कुमारा विघ्नेश्वरा शिव शंभो कुमारा विघ्नेश्वरा शिव शंभो कुमारा विघ्नेश्वरा अंबिकातनया ओंकारेश्वरा अंबिकातनया ओंकारेश्वरा श्रीरंभ हेरंभ विघ्नेश्वरा श्रीरंभ हेरंभ विघ्नेश्वरा लंबोदरायै विष्णु गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः निधये सर्वविद्यानां निधये सर्वविद्यानां विषये भवरोगिणां विषये भवरोगिणां गुरुवे सर्वलोकानां गुरुवे सर्वलोकानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः निधये सर्वविद्यानां निधये सर्वविद्यानां विषये भवरोगिणां विषये भवरोगिणां गुरुवे सर्वलोकानां गुरुवे सर्वलोकानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः साई चंद्रशेखरा पद्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा पद्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा पालनेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा पालनेत्र शूलधारी साई चंद्रशेखरा पद्मभूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा सामगान प्रियकरा साई शंकरा हर 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 शिव शंभो नटनटेश्वरा हर 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 शिव शंभो नटनटेश्वरा श्रीनिवास साई देव साई शंकरा श्रीनिवास साई देव साई शंकरा साई शंकरा शिरडी 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 साई शंकरा
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಬರೋದು. ನೀವ್ ಯಾರು ರಿಪೀಟ್
ಇನ್ನೂ
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
repeat
ನಾನು
ನಾನು-
ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬರೋದು.
ನಾನು ಯಾರೋ ಅಂತ ಇದೀರಿ ಇನ್ನು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು.
You're not coming inside
ಅದು
the
ಹಿಂಗ್
culture.
ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಂತೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಂತೆ
ನಿಂತು ಬಿಡಿಯಲ್ಲ.
लक्ष्मी नारायण रंग रंग विठ्ठला 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 बोलो नारायण जय जय विठ्ठला बोलो नारायण गोविंद विठ्ठला गोपाल विठ्ठला गोविंद विठ्ठला गोपाल विठ्ठला गोविंद विठ्ठला गोपाल विठ्ठला गोविंद विठ्ठला गोपाल विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पंढरीनाथ विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पंढरीनाथ विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पंढरीनाथ विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पंढरीनाथ विठ्ठला बोलो नारायण जय जय विठ्ठला बोलो नारायण जय जय विठ्ठला आनंद 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 विठ्ठला रंग रंग विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला रंग रंग विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला रंग रंग विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला रंग विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला बोलो नारायण जय विठ्ठला बोलो नारायण जय विठ्ठला लक्ष्मी नारायण रंग रंग विठ्ठला लक्ष्मी नारायण रंग रंग विठ्ठला बोलो नारायण जय विठ्ठला बोलो नारायण जय विठ्ठला गोविंद विठ्ठला गोपाल विठ्ठला गोविंद विठ्ठला गोपाल विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पंढरीनाथ विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पंढरीनाथ विठ्ठला आनंद विठ्ठला आनंद विठ्ठला आनंद विठ्ठला आनंद विठ्ठला रंग रंग विठ्ठला पांडुरंग 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 विठ्ठला बोलो नारायण जय विठ्ठला बोलो नारायण जय विठ्ठला
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲೇಡೀಸು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಮೇಕಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರೆತು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ನೀನು ಬೇರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗಾಗೋದು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ನಮಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದಾಗೋದು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದಾಗೋಣ. ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ನೋಡಿ ಬರೇ 2 ಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿದೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಬನ್ನಿ ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ
ರಂಗ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ರಂಗ ವಿಠಲ ರಂಗ ರಂಗ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ರಂಗ ವಿಠಲ ರಂಗ ರಂಗ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ರಂಗ ವಿಠಲ ರಂಗ ರಂಗ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ರಂಗ ವಿಠಲ ಹರಿ ವಿಠಲ ಓಂ ವಿಠಲ ಹರಿ ವಿಠಲ ಓಂ ವಿಠಲ ಹರಿ ವಿಠಲ ಓಂ ವಿಠಲ ಹರಿ ವಿಠಲ 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 ವಿಠಲ
ಏನ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮರೆಯೋದು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗೋ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ So let us not see, you have to wait 1 year to dance like this. Tonight you will get good sleep if you involve 100%. Good sleep is different, more sleep is different. Okay? So, ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಡುಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಜಯ 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 ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಆನಂದ ರಾಮ ಅಯೋಧ್ಯ ರಾಮ. ಆನಂದ ರಾಮ ಅಯೋಧ್ಯ ರಾಮ. ಆನಂದ ರಾಮ ಅಯೋಧ್ಯ ರಾಮ. ಆನಂದ ರಾಮ
ಯಾರು ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ರತನಂದನ ದಯಾಭಿರಾಮ.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ, ಸರಿ, very good.
ದಯಾಭಿರಾಮ 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 ದಯಾಭಿರಾಮ. ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ರಾಮ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯ ರಾಮ. ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ರಾಮ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯ ರಾಮ. ಮಾರುತಿ ಸೇವಿತ ಮಹದಾಭಿರಾಮ. ಮಾರುತಿ ಸೇವಿತ ಮಹದಾಭಿರಾಮ. ಮಹದಾಭಿರಾಮ ಮಹದಾಭಿರಾಮ. ಮಹದಾಭಿರಾಮ ಮಹದಾಭಿರಾಮ. ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಪಾವನ ರಾಮ ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿರಾಮ. ಪಾವನ ರಾಮ ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿರಾಮ. ವೈಕುಂಠ ರಾಮ ವೈದೇಹಿ ರಾಮ. ವೈಕುಂಠ ರಾಮ ವೈದೇಹಿ ರಾಮ. ವೈದೇಹಿ ರಾಮ ವೈದೇಹಿ ರಾಮ. ವೈದೇಹಿ ರಾಮ ವೈದೇಹಿ ರಾಮ. ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ. ಕೌಸಲ್ಯ ನಂದನ ಕೋದಂಡ ರಾಮ. ಕೌಸಲ್ಯ ನಂದನ ಕೋದಂಡ ರಾಮ. ಜಾನಕಿ ವಲ್ಲಭ ಜಯ ಜಯ
बोला हर बम 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 बोला भवा भयंकर गिरिजा शंकर भवा भयंकर गिरिजा शंकर धीमे 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 नर्तन केला धीमे 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 नर्तन केला धीमे 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 नर्तन केला नर्तन केला रे नर्तन केला नर्तन केला रे नर्तन केला धीमे 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 नर्तन केला धीमे 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 नर्तन केला हर हर शंकर शशांक हे हर 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 शशांक हे हर भम बोला हर बम बोल भवा भयंकर गिरिजा शंकर भवा भयंकर गिरिजा शंकर धीमे 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 नर्तन केला धीमे 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 नर्तन केला धीमे 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 नर्तन केला ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಾಲ ಅಲರ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅವಕಾಶ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ 100% ಟು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಈಗೋ ಓಕೆ
ವಿಠಲ ಹರಿ ವಿಠಲ 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 ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ವಿಠಲೆ ಹರಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ವಿಠಲೆ ಹರಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ವಿಠಲೆ ಹರಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲೆ ಹರಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಭಜು ನಾರಾಯಣ ಭಜು ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಭಜು ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಆದಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಆದಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ
Sit wherever you are, close your eyes. You really want to experience Bhakti Yoga? Don't waste time talking to anybody. Don't keep your eyes open. Just experience as it is. Feel the state of mind. Don't have to do big sadhanas to become somebody or nobody. Just Bhakti Yoga, within no moment, we have become nobody. You can experience here and now. Even if you want, you cannot become somebody. That is the power of Bhakti Yoga. For that, we don't have to do anything. We have to just be happy in this moment. That is what we were doing. When we completely surrender to the cosmos, automatically we are one with the cosmos. And if you restrict yourself with identities, then you are holding on to ego. And when you let go, you become one with the cosmos. That is what gives you peace. You are experiencing it. What name you took, what you did, all that becomes secondary. When you surrender totally, you become one with the cosmic energy. The principle of yoga is Chitta Vritti Yoga. What you are doing is that only. Chitta is totally free from any identities. Chitta will activate itself only with identity. Now there is no identity. So you are already into your state of mind. And this you don't need any special qualities, flexibility, physical strength, nothing. Just involve surrender. When you are shamelessly dancing, that is surrender. Result is here and now. Extent you know, that much results. Extent you are holding, that much you are away from the result. In a very calm mind. What we did, nothing. We all were happy. We all were one. We all were peaceful. We all were in harmony. Nobody bothered which step I should follow. I will leave those steps. Yes, it was happy. We all surrendered. What song is coming, what name is coming, is not going to disturb us at all. We try to surrender, it will never happen. Just surrender. And that is what happens in Bhakti Yoga. In all other yogas, you have to really work on mind. All worries, tensions, negativities, everything is gone. At this moment, you are happy as you are. And calmness has not come from outside. Nothing has changed externally. All relations, possessions remain same. But we are happy as we are. This state of mind is meditative state. Yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, nothing. Straight samadhi. Means we were holding still. We have to do again then. Now we will be having our cultural events. All the participants will be this side. Means whoever is going to perform, according to that, the participants, whichever program you are participating, we decide. Volunteers can take the chairs out from there. Vishnu Sahasranama. That time we read that particular one. This day I have just taken randomly, just opened, it has come. Is June 20th. The source of the mind. Very good topic. After doing Bhakti Yoga, it will help us to understand mind better. Every month we will be having a picture of Swamiji. For June month, this is the picture. And the message what Swamiji is giving to all of us is the source of the mind. Creation, preservation, destruction, healing and blessings. He helps the student in a variety of ways. Through dreams, the inner voice talking through the mouths of the others in conversation and in advice from friends. Eternal bliss, supreme peace, eternal satisfaction, infinite happiness and unbroken joy can be had only in God. Attain God consciousness or self-realization through exclusive devotion to one aspect of the Lord or by self-inquiry. When by analyzing your whole mind, you come face to face with something which is never destroyed, something which by its own nature is eternally pure, perfect, self-luminous and unchanging. You will no longer be miserable or unhappy. The nature of Brahman is Satchit Ananda, existence, knowledge, bliss absolute. What limits the individual soul's vision? It is only the mind. Between the Atman, self, and the organs of the senses, a connecting link is necessary. We acknowledge the existence of an internal organ, the mind, through which perception takes place. If we do not admit the internal organ, there would result either perpetual perception or perpetual non-perception. Perception results when there is conjunction of Atman, the sense, and the object. These are the three instruments of perception. If this effect did not follow, perpetual no perception would take place. Neither is the case, however. We have therefore to acknowledge the existence of an internal organ on whose attention and non-attention, perception and non-perception takes place. This is the argument for the existence of the mind. Mind is nothing but collection of impressions. It is bundle of habits. It is collection of desires arising from contact with different objects. It is collection of feelings aroused by worldly botherations of ideas gathered from different objects. These desires, ideas and feelings change constantly. Some of the old desires and feelings are constantly departing from the storehouse, the mind. This constant change does not in any way interfere with the harmony of the mental operations. Some ideas and feelings depart, and those that remain work in healthy cooperation with the new arrivals. They work in the harmony, and this harmony sustains the identity of mental existence. What we read meditation almost in similar way. What samskara we have according to that concept. And where you get stuck in the thought, there you multiply the thoughts. 2 minutes silence, then we will do final prayer.
Om Trayambakam Yajamane Sugandhim Pushtivardanam Rama